In Tokyo, about to go on our subway right now.
Yeah.
Yeah. So cute. All right. We're gonna go to our subway to Okasaka. Okasa. All right, check this out. I don't know how far that's gonna be, but I heard it's about 4-hour ride. So let's check it out. Train station. And my translator's helping me. Because they don't speak Japanese here. Inside the train station. The train here, I've heard, is very punctual. Always on time. So let's check it out.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Shinkansen. This is the Nozomi Super Express bound for Shin Osaka. We will be stopping at Shinagawa, Shin Yokohama, Nagoya, and Kyoto stations before arriving at Shin Osaka Town. The conductor's room is in Garden.
We'll walk to the other side of the train step store. Oh, automatic doors, nice. Just got the restrooms here. This train's going about 100 miles per hour. Look at the speed of this train. Jeez. It's a bullet train. Welcome to Osaka. I can't pronounce it. Alright, we finally got to Osaka, so now I know how to pronounce it. Earlier I was butchering the name, I felt so bad. I had to go look it up online and make sure I remember the name of it. We're ready here, Osaka Station. Good news here is it's very complex to go on the subway system. However, a lot of signs are in English, so you'll be able to kind of navigate yourself. So that's good news. I'm gonna show you an example. Well, I don't know how elevator, gate number 27, 26, 25, 21, 22. You go down here, the subway. Yeah, so the gift shop, everything out here.
What?
Where are we going?
We can go to center exit.
Central exit. Central exit. Alright,
Yeah.
where is the central? It's a subway
subway.
station, right?
Yeah.
It's a station. So this is the main station. Central means main. So, well, you got Suzuki. What do you want to say?
Daddy is the machine.
I am the machine. So just call me the machine. I think I just stole someone's nickname because usually I remember some Russian guy, the comedian named the Machine. So I just stole it from him.